Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 22nd. This is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we're starting off on the 4-hour time frame. So the Aussie dollar made a very nice move down last week. We definitely got a couple pretty nice breaks of structure. So whether or not this move down is part of a correction to the move up or not, I don't really think it matters that much now, because even if it is just a pullback, I would expect it to be some sort of a three-way pullback like this, make some sort of an ABC pattern down to a Fibonacci retracement level and then continue the uptrend. Now, if we're wrong about that and this right here really is a top, instead of doing that, it'll do this, which is almost the same pattern, almost exactly the same trading strategy. So keeping that in mind, going down to the 1 hour time frame, it looks like we are getting close to breaking structure. Once it does break structure, the first thing I would do is on my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down. I would expect this whole move down to be either an A or a 1. I think it's a 1, but it could be a wave A. And then I would expect if and when it doesn't have to break structure, it could make a lower high and keep going down. But if and when it does break structure, I would expect to see a pullback to this whole move down, someplace between 38 and 78% of the move down for either a wave B or a wave 2. And at this point in the pattern, it doesn't matter whether it's an A or a 1 or a B or a 2, the trading strategy is exactly the same for either scenario. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.